See, now we've got a house alarm going off. Motherfuckers are funny, man. And it's also as soon as they get to the window again, this constantly happens. It seems like everyone in this little village, right, they have problems with their alarms. You know, this is the targeting. Because they're pissed off because of some things I searched on my phone to target them. I've got the power tools as well. You know, everyone in this village, they've got to use power tools and they've got to set their alarms off, right? It's all part of the psyop. It's all part of the noise campaign that these people do. And you know how you're seeing the pattern of how many times this is happening. It's not a coincidence. This is deliberately being done. As you can hear. And this happens every day. You know, this happens every single day. Usually shorter times, but it doesn't just happen here. It happens where I live. It happened where I lived in Sheffield. It happens wherever I go.